Hi, I'm Ann Jackson, the Executive Director and founder of the Center for Food Equity in Medicine. Today, we're celebrating our third opportunity to bring music to the community and feed souls. So we're doing Sound Bites for Equity. It's the second in a trilogy of equity-oriented signature events for the foundation.
Whoa, those